welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your love and support. Don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so that way when I post a new video, you guys can get notified. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to de-bloat your stomach and how to minimize it so that way you don't get it so frequently. Many of you guys know that I'm on a weight gain journey, so I've been eating in a calorie surplus, so I've been experiencing a lot of bloating. So I'm going to teach you guys some tips and tricks that helped me reduce the bloating. So if you want to see how to do it, just keep on watching. So my number one tip is be mindful of food intolerances. For example, a lot of people have a dairy intolerance, so it's hard for the body to digest it. So when you're eating the whey, you're eating yogurt, eggs, milk, it's very hard for the body to digest it. So that's why you have that bloating, the gas, that fullness. It feels like your stomach is being pressed out. So what you need to do is be aware of the foods that trigger your symptoms and modify your diet to prevent these issues. Another thing you can do is try to take the intolerance out altogether. For example, if you have a dairy intolerance, you could just take dairy out and use plant-based substitutes so that way you can experience less of the bloating. Tip number 2, drink plenty of water. I try to drink at least a gallon of water a day. This right here is half a gallon, so I have to drink 2 of these every single day. I'm telling you, water will be your best friend. If you're drinking enough water, your body will flush out anything that it doesn't need to store. It can also reduce bloating by getting rid of excess sodium. So you definitely want to make sure you're drinking enough water every single day. Tip number 3, eat low sodium foods. When you're eating a lot of salt, it can lead to water retention and it can also give you temporary weight gain. Tip number 4, drink hot tea. You could drink hot tea in the morning, you can drink hot tea right before you go to bed. I tend to drink it right before I go to bed because it just helps me unwind. When you drink hot tea, it eliminates the buildup of gas in the intestines, helps soothe your muscles, and it also helps your digestive tract. Some of the teas that I personally like and I feel like helps with bloating is green tea, ginger tea, elderberry tea, and chamomile tea. So the last tip I have for you guys is drink green juice. Whether you juice it and you're doing it at home fresh, or you can just buy one from like a Target or Walmart. And the one that I like to use when I don't juice at home is the Garden of Life Raw Organic Perfect Food Green Superfood Juiced Greens Powder. This is how it looks. If you can't see, I'll insert a clip. And it has a lot of good things in there. You guys can look it up if you'd like. And I feel like it definitely helps with bloating, but I preferably like to juice at home fresh. Some of the pros of drinking green juice every day: it improves your gut health, boosts energy levels, strengthens your immune system, reduces inflammation in the body. It can also help you de-bloat. It can detoxify and flush out any toxins that build up in the body over time. It can also flush you out and help you go to the bathroom on a regular basis. Okay guys, so we got to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed. I hope this video was definitely helpful. If you guys have your own tips, you guys can put it in the comments down below. I'm going to enter a clip at the end of this video on how I like to juice at home. It was highly requested, but we got to the end of the video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for your support. And until next time, bye guys. So I just want to show you guys how I make my green juice at home. I'm going to use about 4 cucumbers, 4 limes, 5 apples, a stalk of celery, and 1 container of spinach. So this juice would normally last me about like 4 days. I don't typically go over 4 days because I like to make it fresh. Before I started the video, I washed everything and prepped everything. I like to juice it with the skin on because that's where most of the nutrients are. So now I'm just going to cut up everything else and set it aside so that way it's easier to juice. If you guys try out this green juice combo, definitely leave it in the comments down below and let me know how it tastes. If you guys don't really like that tangy taste because of the limes, you could definitely add more green apples to make it more sweet. Or if you want it to have a different taste, you guys can play around and add more cucumbers and figure out a combination that you guys prefer. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get everything ready. The juicer I'm gonna be using is from NutriBullet. You can get it from Target, Walmart. It's not that expensive, and I'm just gonna start juicing. I like to put my juice in a big container like this so that way it's easier just to get it in the morning. So now that I'm finished, this is how it looks inside this big container. Like I said, it normally lasts me about 3 to 4 days, so that way it stays fresh. If you guys try this juice combo, let me know how it tastes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.